Hey guys, welcome back to Quick Nick's Cooking Tricks. If you haven't noticed, it's summertime, so today we're going to be making one of summer's greatest things ever, which is going to be Tequila Glaze chicken with mango salsa. I'm hungry, let's get cooking. Alright guys, the first thing we're going to start out with is we're going to prepare that tequila glaze. We're going to need some tequila, we're going to need some cilantro, and we're going to need some honey. Let's get this started. For the tequila glaze, we're going to start off with some tequila. Today we're using Hornitos Plata tequila. Pretty good tequila. Once you get the tequila in here, we're going to grab some raw honey. You can use really any kind of honey. And just one giant tablespoon should be sufficient. Then we're going to throw in our cilantro. And the other thing you're going to want to put in there is one fresh lime. Now that we have the tequila, the honey, and the cilantro in our pot, we're just going to want to cook this on low heat just to burn off some of that alcohol. And we're going to end up with a nice, thick, delicious glaze that we're going to put on our chicken. Right after that, we're going to start that mango salsa. This has been simmering for about 5 minutes. All the alcohol is boiled out of the tequila, and boy does it smell good. We're going to let this sit for a few minutes until the chicken is on the grill and we're ready to glaze it. And what that's going to do is it's going to help thicken up some of that honey and thicken up some of the glaze. Alright guys, let's start this mango salsa. What we're going to need for the mango salsa is we're going to obviously need some mangoes. You're going to need some jalapeno, some lime, a red bell pepper, some cilantro, and a red onion. Let's get this chopped up and in the bowl and see what it looks like. Now that the mango is all chopped up and it's in the bowl, let's chop up this onion. Now it's time for the red pepper. Alright guys, so I rinsed out these peppers so they didn't have seeds. Now it's time to chop up the jalapeno pepper. Really important you don't put any of the seeds in there because the seeds are where you're going to get your heat from. We want to clean this up really good and just use the meat of the pepper for the flavor. Now it's time to chop up some tomatoes. It's time to put in some cilantro. Now, since everything is in the bowl, we're going to top it off with some fresh lime. Now that we have everything in the bowl, let's give it a little stir.
This looks delicious.
Alright, after mixing it up, I tried it. You know what? It does need a little bit of salt. The mango salsa is done. It's going in the refrigerator until we're ready for it. The glaze is thickening up really nice, and now we're going to prepare that chicken and we're going to get it on the grill. Let's do this. We're going to get this boneless, skinless chicken breast. We're just going to trim the fat, cut it up, make it look really good. Salt and pepper a little bit, and we're going to throw it on the grill with that honey glazed tequila. Delicious. Time for a little salt and pepper. Now I'm going to keep doing that to all the chicken breasts. We're going to cut the fat off, make them look pretty, salt and pepper them, and then we're going to get them on the grill. This chicken is ready. It's been salt and peppered, trimmed beautifully. It's time for this sucker to go on the grill. Now that the chicken's on the grill, we're ready to throw on our tequila glaze. Delicious! Alright guys, the tequila glazed chicken is done. The mango salsa is done. It's off the grill. We're going to plate this up and we're going to have our taste testing. Don't take my word for it.
Damn, that's some good fucking chicken.
Next cooking tricks. Today, and today we're going to be making...
You already said that.
Oh shit.
Go. Stop laughing. Stop.
This has been boiling. No, it has not been boiling. It's been simmering for about 5 minutes. Shit. All right.
You gotta be looking at the camera.
I think
Yeah, you said all right.
Chopped up. We're gonna cut up our onion.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're...
Sorry. We're gonna put the glaze on it, not like. No.
That's some good fucking chicken.
Ready?
Need some barbecue sauce.